Hello everybody, today we're going to learn my painted 3-ball juggling tutorial. So for this you're going to need to grab some balls. If you don't have any balls, perhaps you can grab somebody else's. Okay, take one ball, hold it out in front of you, turn it around, drop it on the floor. Okay, get used to that, that's going to happen a lot, but that's fine, that's normal. Everybody does it, I do that too. That will be fine. Okay, lesson 2, 1-ball juggling. Take one ball and you're going to throw it in an arc about eye height, so like this. You're going to throw it in an arc from hand to hand about up here. Okay, if you're doing that, brilliant, you're a natural 1-ball juggling, well done. So let's go on to 2-ball juggling. So take 2 balls, now you're going to throw the same, it's going to be an arc about eye height from hand to hand. Now you could do that at the same time, it could look like this, right? But we're not going to do that, we're going to do it staggered, we're going to do it at different times, 1, 2, so it looks like this, 1, 2, staggered, 1, 2, different times, 1, 2, 1, 2, up, up. Now, some people do it like this, right? So this is a common mistake, some people will try and shift the other ball from hand to hand like this, right? So it goes round in a circle. If you do that, I'm going to come round your house and stamp on all your toys, okay? That's not how you juggle 2 balls, okay? Jugglers throw up. This is what you do. Up, 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 up. They both go up in an arc, up, up. Now, some people like to imagine a square in front of them and you're throwing to the opposite diagonal, to the opposite corner on the square, like that. So it's diagonally like this. So it's 1, 2, different times, staggered, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, if you can do that, you've got 2-ball juggling. Now I'm going to show you 3-ball juggling. You can practice it, you can try it, and then you can go back down to 2 if you want to practice a bit more at 2, and then you can go back up and go back down, anything you want. So, 3-ball juggling. Now we're going to do what we did before for the 2-ball juggling, 1, 2, but just before you catch the second ball, I want you to throw the third. 1, 2, 3. I don't even care if you catch it, okay? Don't even care, okay? 1, 2, 3. Boom. All I want you to do is get used to throwing that third ball. Don't hold on to it with dear life. I want you to get used to throwing it away. If you've got something in your hand, throw it away. If there's something in the air, catch it. Basically, 2 rules of juggling. Right, so it's 1, 2, 3. And your natural instinct is to go and try and catch it. Now, all I can say next is, and repeat, and I wish I had something better to say for that, but just before you catch the second ball, you throw the third. Just before you catch the third ball, you throw the fourth, and repeat. Just before you catch the 4th ball, you catch, or you throw the 5th. So it's, the balls are swapping in your hand, like this. So it's 1, 2, 3, swap, 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 swap. Just repeat, and eventually it'll smooth out and it'll become more natural like this. There are basically 4 juggling tricks, and all of the tricks are built out of these 4 basic juggling tricks. First of all, there is 2 balls in one hand. There we go, I'm juggling 2 balls in one hand, and if you can see that, they're going round each other in a circle. Try that again. Okay, 2 balls in one hand. Now ideally you want to be able to do this in both hands, right hand and left hand. So hopefully you should practice doing it in your left hand as well, and your right hand and your left hand. Okay, juggling trick 2, columns. Okay, this one's called columns. You're going to throw the balls up and down like that, 2 balls in one hand, but you're throwing them in a column. Okay, so they go vertically up, and my hand underneath is moving between them. So it's like this, moving in columns. And again, ideally, we want to be able to do this in the left hand as well. Oh, there you go, I dropped one. Right, the 3rd juggling trick. And the 3rd juggling trick is throwing underarm. Okay, so we're juggling 3 balls, and now watch the red ball, okay? So here it is. Okay, there's the red ball. Watch the red ball. I'm going to throw it underarm. Okay, there's the red ball, and I'm going to throw it underarm. Underarm. I'll do that again. Take the red ball. I throw it under the other arm. Finally, the fourth juggling trick is overarm. So this is more like a lob, sort of this like that, and it's an overarm. I'll do it with the red ball again. There's the red ball. And I'm going to throw overarm. Do that again. Overarm. I can do that with both hands. And there you go. Those are the 4 basic juggling tricks. Those are just to keep you entertained while you're learning to juggle 3 balls. And if you can learn these, all of the tricks are built from these 4 basic tricks. So if I start doing things like this, I'm just mixing up the tricks that I've already learned. Those are basically the 4 basic tricks. And that's it. That's my 3-ball tutorial. And I'll see you later.